आपको सभी का स्वागत है आज की चॉकलेटी सेशन अलीपो के साथ. So in today's session we are going to learn different kinds of chocolates. One would be marble chocolate, bars with fruit passion, bars with berries love and Oreo cream bars. तो आज हम 4 डिफरेंट तरीके के चॉकलेट सीखने वाले हैं गाइस. मार्बल चॉकलेट, बार्स विद फ्रूट पैशन, बार्स विद बेरीज लव और ओरियो क्रीम बार्स. So in today's session, we are going to have 4 parts of our session. So first, we are going to learn all about the process. Then, second part, we would be learning about the variations and derivations. Variations and the replacements which we can have. Third part would be where we are going to learn about the pricing of the chocolates and as well as the storage, like the shelf life for today's chocolate. And in 4 part we are going to learn about the common discussion. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 4 भाग में करने वाले हैं हमारे सेशन को. तो पहले भाग में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं कि प्रोसेस और एक्सप्लेनेशन यहाँ पे चॉकलेट कैसे बनाते हैं. And in the second part we are going to learn on how to know the variations and different replacements which we can have. Third part would be about the shelf life and pricing, and fourth part would be the common queries. So before starting the session, as it is our last day today, I would like to tell you some important things. First would be that we will be sending up the certificate form after this session in the group. Please fill that certificate form with your right mail ID. You will receive it by tonight and from sachin@alipo.com. तो आपको जो सर्टिफिकेट फॉर्म दिए जाएंगे ग्रुप में, आप वो कृपया करके फिल कर लीजिएगा. फिर आपको मिलेगा सर्टिफिकेट आज रात तक, और वो भी sachin@alipo.com में mail के through. Second important point would be the recording link which we give are only for 30 days. So please download it so that you can watch it later on as well. आप कृपया करके जो रिकॉर्डिंग्स हम लोग भेजते हैं वो डाउनलोड कर लीजिए ताकि आप बाद में भी देख पाएँ, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ 30 दिन के लिए ही है. And third point would be we would be taking up extra 2 days queries here in the group and in the query form. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा 2 दिन के लिए आपके क्वेरीज लेंगे और क्वेरी फॉर्म में भी. After 2 days, it would be an open group community where you all can help out each other with your queries. आप जब ये 2 दिन के बाद ओपन ग्रुप कम्युनिटी बन जाएगा तब आप एक दूसरे को मदद कर पाओगे आपके क्वेरीज के रिगार्डिंग. And we have certain rules after this open group community messages given. हम लोगों को यहाँ पे open group community message देने के बाद कुछ rules हैं जो आप सभी को follow करना है guys. We would not allow anyone to personally message or call any of our instructor or any participants. हमारे instructor या participants को आप कृपया करके message या calls directly मत कीजिएगा. And second would be please let's not promote or spam anything in the group. आप कृपया करके प्रमोशन या फिर कोई भी स्पैम मत कीजिएगा ग्रुप में. So without any further delay, let's get started, Chef Bhavika.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. So yes, this is our last day. आज हमारा last day. So बहुत सारे tips and tricks भी हम आपको share करेंगे. So we'll be also sharing you some good tips and tricks, and also we'll be learning 4 chocolates. As Shukriti said, कि आज हम 4 chocolates बनाना सीखेंगे. 3 बार होंगी. So we'll be learning 4 chocolates, 3 bars, and 1 normal marble chocolate. Okay. So let's get started. For one chocolate, I'll give you the description. What are we using and what are the ingredients. Okay, today I'll be using plastic and polycarbonate. Take the camera.
Yes.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, so now today we'll be using Mode dark compound, Mode milk compound, and Mode white compound. So we'll be using compounds over here today, that is dark, milk, and white for our first chocolate. That is marble chocolate. आज हम हमारी फर्स्ट चॉकलेट बना रहे हैं मार्बल चॉकलेट. उसके लिए हम हमारी डार्क, मिल्क एंड व्हाइट तीनों यूज करेंगे. ओके, मार्बल मतलब क्या होता है? तो आज हम ये मोल्ड यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, मैं आज ये मोल्ड यूज करूंगी।
Yes,
ओके,
now it's perfect.
ये मोल्ड है हमारा स्क्वायर शेप का, अगर आपको दिख रहा है तो।
Yes, yes, it
Okay,
is visible.
this is polycarbonate mold. ये हमारा polycarbonate mold है. Okay, so we'll be taking dark compound, milk compound and white compound. Okay, आज हम लेंगे डार्क कंपाउंड, मिल्क कंपाउंड एंड व्हाइट कंपाउंड। मैं आपको आज दो तरीके की मार्बल इफेक्ट सिखाती हूँ। आई बी टीचिंग यू टू टाइप ऑफ मार्बल इफेक्ट्स ओवर हियर। So first I'll pour the dark compound. You can tap this. Okay, then you can pour milk.
So
We'll
can
tap this.
we use normal plastic molds or anything as such?
Yes, you can use plastic mold, you can use silicone mold, any mold you can use. आप यहाँ पे कोई भी मोल्ड यूज कर सकते हैं, सिलिकॉन, मार्बल, कोई भी मोल्ड्स। ये हमारा लास्ट लेयर गया व्हाइट। तो ये है हमारी मार्बल चॉकलेट। ओके, व्हाई दिस इज नोन एज मार्बल चॉकलेट? बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग डार्क, लाइट एंड लाइट शेड्स। अगर हम यहाँ पे तीन को चॉकलेट यूज करके शेड्स बना रहे हैं। ओके, अगर आपको चाहिए तो आपको व्हाइट एंड पिंक कलर की चॉकलेट बना सकते हो, व्हाइट एंड ब्लू या ब्लू पिंक चॉकलेट बना सकते हो। So guys, over here we have used three different type of compounds over here. So this is known as marble, and we are going to give them marble effect. So there is some different three layers of each, right? And again, if you want, you can mix two different colors together to make marble effect. Like you can mix pink and blue, you can mix pink and white, or any colors. Okay, yellow, green would go better. So you can do any kind of mismatch. Okay, one is like we are getting three layers basically. I don't know in the camera it is visible or not. I don't think so it is visible. But yes, when we demo, you'll get an idea. What I'm going to do is, so just I'm mix matching this. So मैंने dark milk and white को mix कर लिया. This goes in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. But as this is a polycarbonate mold, it takes 20 minutes because mold बहुत thick होता है. As the mold is very thicker, it is polycarbonate. It takes 5 minutes extra than the other. Okay, is this clear how to make marble chocolate? Basically, marble chocolate में you can put any kind of oil based flavors and make flavor to it.
All right, all right.
आप मार्बल चॉकलेट में कोई भी फ्लेवर्स डाल सकते हैं ऑयल बेस्ड, एंड आप फ्लेवर चॉकलेट और कलरफुल चॉकलेट ऐसे बना सकते हैं. ओके,
ठीक है.
so now coming to the next chocolate.
So Chef Bhavika, can
Yes.
we use ice cube molds for
Yes,
the
you can use
decorative?
ice cube molds.
Oh wow, all right. Yes, please continue.
So now I'll be making bars with passion fruit. I am using a mold over here, which is plastic. हम यहाँ पे plastic mold use कर रहे हैं bars with passion fruit के लिए. Now coming to the ingredients over here. Okay, coming to the ingredients. मुझे चाहिए dark compound. 1 cup. 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 कैंडिड फ्रूट्स, ये हो गए हमारे सन ड्राइड, एंड दीज आर कैंडिड फ्रूट्स. Okay, so now what is sun-dried and what is candied fruits? Candied fruit means they use the pure fruit. जैसे कि you can say as strawberry, we are using papaya, you are using cranberries, and we are using blueberries over here. So this is candied fruits. Okay, जिसको हमने dry करके use किया है. They are machine dried and then we are using it. And what is sun dried? Sun dried means they are dried into the sun. Like see, these are juicy. Basically, these are juicy. Even this is raisins. Raisins juicy होते हैं, right? So they are sun dried. So मैं अभी आपको एक और बार हिंदी में बताती हूँ. यहाँ पे sun dried हम यूज कर रहे हैं और ये है हमारा कैंडिड फ्रूट्स. कैंडिड फ्रूट्स होता क्या है? जो हमारा प्योर फ्रूट होता है, जैसे कि स्ट्रॉबेरी, पपाया, ब्लूबेरी, क्रैनबेरी, उसे मशीन में ड्राई फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके हमने ड्राई किया है. बट ये बाहर मार्केट में आपको रेडीमेड मिलता है. सो दिस इज क्रैनबेरी, ब्लूबेरी, पपाया एंड स्ट्रॉबेरी. ओके, सो इसे बोलते हैं हमारे कैंडिड. एंड व्हाट इज सन ड्राइड? सन ड्राइड मतलब जो ज्यादा जूसी होते हैं, जैसे कि किशमिश हो गई, हमारी टूटी फ्रूटी हो गई, एंड फिर हमारा एप्रिकॉट हो गया, जैसे कि ओके झाड़दार जिसे बोलते हैं. तो दिस इज सन ड्राइड एंड दिस इज कैंडिड. ये आपको नॉर्मली लोकल ड्राई फ्रूट शॉप्स में मिल जाएगा. सो यू विल गेट दिस एट लोकल ड्राई फ्रूट शॉप्स. So now we just put it.
Can we put the chocolate and then the dried cranberries?
Yes, you can. I'm going to do that only now. So I'm just putting some so that in my bar it looks good.
Wow, this looks yummy.
Yes, this is yummy. So anyone over here who is making with us?
Well, I guess there was one person who was making with us, but they have disabled the camera. But I can be sure that afterwards, during ending the session, everybody would be, with their chocolates ready to show it to you.
That's great. That's great. I'll be waiting at the end to see the chocolates. Okay, everyone, be ready with your chocolates. And if you are not making it, start making it. अगर आप चॉकलेट नहीं बना रहे हो अभी, प्लीज आप बनाना स्टार्ट कीजिए. एंड ऑफ द सेशन मैं जरूर देखूंगी आपकी चॉकलेट्स.
Yes, and Ishwarya मैम यहाँ पे chocolates बना रही है.
वाओ,
उन्होंने actually enable किया था पहले.
ये
I just
यहाँ पे
love
मैंने डाल दिए
watching
किशमिश, एप्रिकॉट्स. यस,
people watching. People making chocolates is so satisfying, to be honest.
यस, ऑफ कोर्स. दिस इज पपाया इन द मिडल.
So in marble chocolate, can we use emulsion?
Yes.
Okay. And can we mix cocoa powder with melted chocolate?
No required to put cocoa chocolate to it, like cocoa butter or any cocoa powder to it. This goes in the fridge for 15 minutes to set. So now we have again a plastic mold over here. This mold I have also used previously, but today I'll be making berry love in this. So what is berries love? I like more of berries over here. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा berries पसंद है, जैसे कि मैं strawberry use करूँगी, cranberry use करूँगी और blueberry. Okay, any questions? You can just enable the query, the chat,
All
so
right,
that
all
if
right.
anyone has the questions.
Yes, I'll just enable the chat. So guys, मैंने enable किया है chat को, अपनी queries भेज दीजिए. Okay. So polycarbonate mold is expensive and takes time in freezing. Then why someone use this mold?
It is their own personal choice because of the shine or whatever you can say. It is personal choice. If you don't like, ma'am, आप मत use कीजिए.
So where can we get these dried fruits?
नॉर्मल ड्राई फ्रूट वाली दुकान पे जहाँ पे आप काजू बादाम खरीदते हैं वहीं पे आपको मिल जाएंगे.
How much time does it take for fruit passion to freeze?
Fruit passion, sorry, come again, sorry.
Fruit passion, how much time do we have to keep it in the fridge for setting it?
10 to 15 minutes.
So कोई भी चॉकलेट फ्रीजर में जाती है, कोई फ्रीजर में क्या डिफरेंस है? ओके,
नहीं
फ्रिज में
मैम,
कोई, फ्रीजर में कोई, वही बोलना चाहते हैं.
ओके नो, हम सारी चॉकलेट फ्रीजर में रखते हैं और जब वो सेट हो जाती है तब हम उसे फ्रिज में रखते हैं स्टोर करने के लिए.
ओके ओके. क्या हम फ्रूट वाली चॉकलेट को आइस ट्रे में भी बना सकते हैं?
यस मैम.
Where will we get these blueberries and other fruits you used here?
ओके, एज आई सेड, नॉर्मल जहाँ पे आपको ड्राई फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं वहीं पे यू विल गेट दिस एट योर नॉर्मल ड्राई फ्रूट शॉप्स.
I would say in supermarkets they are quite available.
Yes, supermarket do also have some offers, you can buy from there.
Or in online marketing shops as well.
Yes.
So is it just melted chocolate or have you added any oil?
No, it is just melted chocolate, nothing else.
Okay, and what did you add the white color thing in between?
In which, ma'am? That is papaya.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, from where okay, can you explain what is emulsion?
Emulsion is color plus flavor. So it comes in oil based and normal water based, but try to use oil based in chocolates.
Okay. And marble effect mein, why did you twisted with that stick?
As I said, I'll be showing you two effects. You can put it directly, or else you can put it, you can just do a toothpick effect and you can do it. There would be some marbles. I'll just cut it and I'll show. मैं कट करके आपको बताऊंगी.
Okay, okay. And after making the chocolates, how many hours can we keep the chocolates in room temperature?
In room temperature, you can keep it for 1 month also, but you need to wrap them and keep it. Or if it's in the AC, you can keep it open.
Can you tell us how many types of molds are available?
There are 3 types of molds available: plastic, polycarbonate, and silicone.
Okay, okay.
So, Sukriti will just keep this in the freezer, okay? Freezer for 15 minutes.
All right, and it's morning.
So it is all loaded with berry loves. I'll repeat how I have done this. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि मैंने ये कैसे बनाया. मैंने पहले थोड़े थोड़े चॉप ड्राई फ्रूट्स डाल दिए, जैसे कि हमारा क्रैनबेरीज हो गया, ब्लूबेरीज हो गया, स्ट्रॉबेरी हो गया. ओके, सो हमने यहाँ पे तीनों चीज डाल. So over here, what we have done is we have roughly chopped the cranberries, blueberries, and strawberries, and we have just put it assorted over here. And then on it, we have just used the melted chocolate, okay, compound. We have just dressed it, and again with some toppings of blueberry, strawberry, and cranberries.
Okay, okay.
Yes, some questions, then I'll continue for the fourth one.
Yes. Okay. So, could you tell us what, I mean, can we use silicone mold and give marble effect on it?
Yes, you can use silicone molds to give marble. You can use any mold.
So, are you using dark compound so that it could taste bitter?
No, it is just like if you want to taste bitter, your chocolate you want bitter taste करे, use dark compound.
Okay, okay. So, which emulsion flavor will go with all three compounds?
Any emulsion flavors here, you need to work on it. Your taste buds की खट्टा कौन सा है और या फिर मीठा के साथ कौन से साथ जाता है. So you need to work according to your taste palette. I can suggest you like you can go with white with rose, white compound with tangy flavors like orange. You can go dark with mint, okay, dark with orange. It really goes better.
Okay, okay. And how do we get these marble effect chocolate shown in the PDF?
I am going to do that only, and I have done that only.
Okay, okay. All right. Okay, could you just repeat the process from the start in short so that everybody could have a recap who joined right now?
Okay, sure. So I have already repeated. Should I repeat the strawberry ones again? The berry
Yes,
loves.
please. Yes, please.
Okay. So the first chocolate what we have made is marble. For that marble chocolate, we have used three type of chocolates. That is white compound, milk compound, and dark compound. We have taken a mold. We have poured the dark compound first, then milk compound, and then white. If you want, you can set it that way only, or else you want, you can just take a toothpick and twist it or swirl it like to get a marble and mixing effect. Okay, that was the marble chocolate. Second, we were doing a candied fruits one. Okay, so that we have used candied fruits. We have used sun dried. What is candied and sun dried fruits? Sun dried fruits are very sticky. Okay, they have juice into it, and candied fruits are they don't have any juice. They are very plain. Okay, like this, the cranberries, blueberries, strawberries are candied. Sun dried fruits are apricot, kishmish, black raisins, any. Okay. We have just taken a bar mold. We have dropped all the dry fruits into that. Okay, and cover it with dark compound. And again dressed it with some of the assorted candied fruits and dry fruits. Okay. Next, it was berries love. We have used white compound in it. The same method we have used. We have taken strawberries, blueberries, and cranberries. We have just roughly chopped them, and we have keep um, dressed the bar over here this way, small pieces at a time, and then we have dressed up it with white compound, and then again with some chopped dry fruits. That was cranberries, blueberries, and strawberries. That was all we have done for our three of the chocolates today.
All right, all right. Thank you so much. So, yes, we can go ahead with our fourth chocolate.
Okay, so this is our fourth chocolate over here. ये हमारी चौथी चॉकलेट है. ये हमारा पॉलीकार्बोनेट मोल्ड है. Okay, this is our polycarbonate mold again. So now we are making Oreo. This is also my favorite. So we'll take a small bowl. Okay. हम यहाँ पे छोटा बोल लेंगे. This is our Oreo powder, crushed Oreo powder. We'll mix white compound to this. And we'll mix this. We can add more compound here. So what I'm doing is I'm making some flavors over here ready. So this is my Oreo flavor. So just randomly, I'm just putting my flavors over here. Is it visible in the camera?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Okay. So now to this, I'll be adding some chopped Oreo biscuit with the cream. Oreo biscuit हमारा cream के साथ है, अगर आप देख सकते हैं बोल में cream है इसमें. Okay. We pack this once, not many times. Now we'll add the white chocolate. So you can just enable the chat so we can solve the queries till the time these all chocolate will set. Okay.
All right, all right.
Have you enabled the chat?
Okay, so I'll just take up the queries here again. So हम यहाँ पे फिर से queries लेते हैं. अब तक जो भी queries है please send कर दीजिए यहाँ पे.
That's it. And just tap this. And again, some Oreo biscuits on top.
So where to keep the remaining melted chocolate?
In the room temperature, covered, clean wrap करके.
Can we use Jim Jam?
Yes, you can use Jim Jam biscuits in place of Oreo biscuits. You can use Bonbon. You can use Hide and Seek.
All right, all right.
This goes in the freezer for 15 minutes.
Okay. So how to make a coffee flavored chocolate?
Just add some amount of coffee oil or coffee powder in the melted chocolate.
So let's not get confused, guys. We are setting the chocolates in freezer, then storing them in fridge. हम लोग यहाँ पे freezer में set करते हैं chocolates को और store करना fridge में करते हैं. So how did you do the Oreo powder?
In the mixture, just I've taken the mixture and Oreo powder को मैंने with the cream I have just mixed. मतलब पीस दिया मैंने उसको.
Okay. We have Amatullah ma'am who is saying that Bhavika, you're too sweet. You teach very nicely. Loved all your sessions.
Thank you so much.
Yes, of course. I mean, they say that sweet people make the chocolates more sweeter.
Oh wow, thank you
It is.
so much. You can just come here and if you are in Mumbai, you can taste my chocolates.
I would love to. So, won't that biscuit become soggy in chocolate?
No, it won't.
Okay. And गनाश डेकोरेशन के लिए रेशियो बताइए.
कौन सी डेकोरेशन के लिए?
गनाश.
Ganache, you can't use chocolate ganache in making chocolate. If you want to put it inside the filling, you can take 200 grams of dark compound, 100 grams of cream. You can replace dark compound with white or milk.
Okay. And was the Oreo powder made with only biscuits or with cream too?
With cream.
So how many bars can we make from one compound?
It depends on your mold size. So guys, I have used 3 molds today of the bar. One was very deep, one was very thin, one was very big and long. So it depends on molds to molds. I can't also say, even I don't know from last this year कि एक mold में कितनी chocolates और कितने grams की बनती. Okay, it is very difficult because sometimes you are putting filling, then you will be using less amount of compound. Okay, if you are only just putting the chocolate inside melted one, you'll be using more amount of compound. Okay, so it is difficult to say.
Okay, okay. And can we add whipping cream as filling?
No.
All right. And
Because
is
it is too soggy, sorry. But because if you add whipping cream, then what will happen? The whipping cream has more amount of moisture. You can't keep your chocolate for more than 1 day in the fridge. Okay, not outside also. So that's why I don't suggest to use whipping cream.
all right, all right. And can we use orange cream or strawberry cream biscuits?
Yes, ma'am, you can use orange biscuits and all. As I said, you can use all type of biscuits. I like hide and seek and bonbon, so you can just decorate with that as well.
All right. And what is the emulsion flavor? Could you explain that again, please?
So what is emulsion flavor?
Yes. I guess
Okay,
they're
emulsion
asking about
is
emulsion.
basically, sorry.
They are asking for emulsion. What is it exactly?
Okay, emulsion is basically color plus flavor. मतलब अगर आपने emulsion डाला ना white compound में तो आपको color भी आएगा और flavor भी आएगा. अगर आपने सिर्फ color डाला तो सिर्फ color आएगा. अगर आपने oil based flavor डाला तो सिर्फ flavor आएगा. So over here, what is emulsion? Emulsion is color plus flavor. In white compound, if you put emulsion, then you will be getting color and as well as flavor. If you are only using color, then you will be getting only color, that is oil-based color. If you are putting only oil-based flavor, you will get only flavor. But emulsion is combo of flavor plus color.
Okay, okay. And can we use any kind of compound as per our choice?
Yes, you can use any kind of, but try to taste once whenever you make it, so that you will get an assumption which goes with which better.
All right. And can we use gel colors?
No, you can't use gel colors in melted chocolate. You can use gel color in filling.
Okay. And can we use cocoa powder instead of Oreo?
Yes, you can use cocoa powder, but it would be more bitter chocolate there. आपको वो powder मुंह में आएगा. You will be feeling powder in your mouth. So you can try once, but I don't like that putting chocolate. Cocoa powder.
Okay, okay. And how long polycarbonate molds can be used?
2-3 times, same 3-4 times also you can use it. Just every time before, wipe it with tissue paper.
The part where you added white chocolate and Oreo powder, can we add milk compound or dark in order to reduce the sweetness?
Yes, 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 you can.
How to work with 80% dark chocolate?
80% dark chocolate is the same method you use. You just need to temper it first and then use in your mold as the same. Only the percentage of the bitterness is same. Rest the method is same.
So is the setting time different for different type of mold?
Yes, if the mold is thicker and big, you will be taking more time. अगर mold बहुत छोटा है and पतला है like plastic mold, you'll be taking less time.
All right, all right. Okay, and how can we use instead of Oreo biscuits as bourbon?
Yes, you can use.
For wrapping, do we need to wrap the bar with butter paper too?
Yes, try to wrap it with butter paper.
So चॉकलेट को रैप करने के भी बाद फ्रीजर में रख सकते हैं क्या?
फ्रिज में. फ्रिज में. Okay.
ओके ओके. फिलिंग में चीज यूज कर सकते हैं क्या? कौन सा
चीज
चीज?
क्रीम यूज कर सकते हैं. नो चीज.
Cheese cream is different than cheese. Okay. The chocolate is melting just after 10 to 15 minutes after demolding. What could be the reason?
Yes, yes, ma'am. It will melt if you are not tempered properly. First thing. Second thing, if your AC is not on. Third, as it is summer, it will melt. So try to keep wrap it. Okay, and keep it in the room temperature or keep it in the fridge.
So after tempering for more time, does the chocolate start thickening? What to do in that case?
Melt it again and again. That is fine. You melt it.
Okay, so the chocolates are done here. Could you show us, please?
Yes. Okay, give me a moment.
Sure.
Yes. So we are done with these all chocolates. I'll show it to you. The first one we made is marble. Okay. This is your marble chocolate. Can you see the layers?
Yes, yes.
I'll also cut and I'll show.
Yes, please.
Actually, it is directly out of the freezer, so it is not cutting properly. Okay, give me a moment. Let it will come chill a little. Then I'll cut it.
All
And
right.
just remove these.
वाह, ये बढ़िया तरीके से आए हैं. Amazing. शाइन बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी दिख रही है. फ्रूट बेरीज लव के.
I'll break one and I'll show you.
Yes, please. Oh wow. So we can see the sun-dried berries over here. Amazing, amazing. बहुत ही बढ़िया.
I'll also
It's tough breaking all these bars, to be honest. I mean, खाने के वक्त तो चलता है.
yes, खाने वक्त चलता है. Okay.
Okay, now we have the Oreo bars left.
Yes, that is setting. Can you just?
Yes, yes.
I can see white, milk, and dark, and I have just used a toothpick. That's why the effect is being seen.
वाओ वाओ, अमेजिंग. सो गाइस, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे 3 डिफरेंट तरीके के कंपाउंड बनाए गए हैं. Yes, people are already ready with the chocolates they have made.
Wow. So I'll just check some chocolates. Then we'll take the question and answers.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
ओके, सो गाइस, जो भी हमारे साथ यहाँ पे चॉकलेट बनाए हैं, बना चुके हैं, प्लीज़ अपना कैमरा इनेबल कीजिए, अपना चॉकलेट दिखा दीजिए हम लोगों को. ओके, सो आई जस्ट ऐड यू इन स्पॉटलाइट, रानी मैम.
Yes. Wow. Marble chocolates.
बिग मार्बल चॉकलेट्स. यस, दैट्स लवली. ओह, ऊपर से हाइड एंड सीक जैसा लग रहा है मुझे तो. Yes,
Yes.
physically it
Yes.
looks like hide and seek, to be honest. Okay.
Wow. Beautiful.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Okay, now we have Ishwarya ma'am who was making with us.
Okay.
Wow. दुकान खोल दिया चॉकलेट का.
Oh,
Literal shop over here.
so
Amazing.
many chocolates.
Please send it over here, ma'am. हम लोगों को जरूरत है, यहाँ पे भेज दीजिए. This looks lovely.
Very lovely. Like she has tried all the colors, you know, pink, yellow, only with the white, only with dark compound. She's tried all.
Yes, yes. And I can see the chocolates
Filling
being all
chocolates.
shiny and everything.
Yes,
Amazing.
yes. Even colored chocolates are beautiful, the yellow ones.
Absolutely.
Very nice.
So I guess others are still might be making with us, or
Okay.
They might not have it ready right now. No worries, guys. Please be ready. We would be, taking up. I mean, seeing all the pictures of your chocolates in the group and as well as here, so that it would be really great to review. ताकि यहाँ पे शेफ भाविका हम आपके चॉकलेट्स को रिव्यू कर पाए, तो आप तब कैमरा इनेबल कर सकते हैं एंडिंग के टाइम में. यस. ओके, सो लेट्स गो अहेड विद द क्वेरीज अगेन. मैं
Yeah.
यहाँ पे क्वेरीज लेती हूँ फिर से. सो अगर चॉकलेट को फ्रिज में स्टोर करें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना?
No, ma'am. कोई problem नहीं है.
ओके.
I'll be there behind the camera now.
All right, all right. And any extra care to be taken while making Kavacha chocolate?
Curvature chocolate, of course, yes, you need to temper. For learning more about curvature, you can join our advanced course. Okay. But yes, for curvature, you need to temper it properly.
Okay, okay. All right. And can chocolate set at room temperature?
No, you can't set chocolate at temperature.
Can we use cocoa powder 800 for chocolate?
Yes, you can use.
And when we are doing the cocoa butter and making chocolate base, what is the temperature of cocoa butter to mix with other ingredients?
It should be at room temperature.
Okay, okay. And how long to keep the Oreo cream bars in freezer?
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. Yes, that is right. Sharon ma'am is saying that you are very hygienic and you taught really well.
Thank
A
you.
lot of compliments. How many biscuits we have to crush?
It is according to you. You want very less flavor, आपको ज़्यादा flavor चाहिए, you need more flavor. According to you, I have crushed 2 biscuits for the powder also and for the pieces also. Total 2 biscuits.
Okay, and we have Sai Divya ma'am who's saying thank you for such a lovely class.
You're most welcome. Thanks to the Lipo team who is arranging these all classes.
And chocolate classes are must, to be honest. हर एक दिन chocolate classes होना ही चाहिए. Okay, so can we add equal amount of dark and milk and then temper it?
Yes, yes. No, you need to temper both differently and then mix it.
Okay, okay. So, okay, as you are also from Mumbai, so I would like you to share a store where we can get all quality products for chocolate materials.
Okay. Crawford Market, you will get RF La Molde. Bandra also has RF La Molde. Borivali, Kantapuri, Malad, every station has RF. You can contact RF. There's innovative food solution known as Food Decor. You can contact them. Okay. Baker's World, third shop is Baker's World. You can contact them.
Okay, okay. Could you repeat the Oreo and chocolate mixture ratio again, please?
It is just normal. I have taken 1 spoon and 2 or 3 spoon. Accordingly, I have taken the white compound and I have mixed it so that I get a flowy paste.
Okay.
And then I have poured it into the mixture, and then I have added the normal white and cream biscuits together over there and white compound on the top.
ठीक है. And how to make ganache filled chocolates and how do they taste?
They do taste very nice and beautiful. Like they just burst into your mouth. And yes, to make them, you can just use your normal ganache, that is dark compound plus cream. That is 2:1 ratio. 2 would be your dark compound or milk or white, and 1 would be your cream. And as we have done the shelling method, you can just take that step.
Okay. And yeah, I do appreciate Bhavika ma'am for patiently हर एक question का answer देते हैं. This makes her really sweet.
Thank you.
Well, I would say जब chocolate बनाते हैं तो मतलब sweet तो है ही obviously. And yes, I'll try tomorrow for I am from Mumbai as well, and I love your sessions.
Thank you.
Oh wow, we have so many compliments saying you're so sweet like chocolate. Amazing.
Thank you, everyone.
So can we add condensed milk with crushed Oreo and then mix with white chocolate?
No, ma'am. If you add condensed milk, what will happen? The condensed milk will ooze out water, okay? Because it is made up of dairy product, and dairy product can't be stored in room temperature. So you can't use condensed milk. It would be too sweet
And
and it won't set, yes.
how to make two color slabs?
टू कलर यू कैन, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे 3 कलर्स की बनाया, आप 2 कलर्स की बना सकते हैं मैम. जस्ट टेक योर नॉर्मल मोल्ड, ओके, जस्ट टेक योर मोल्ड फॉर वन साइड वन कलर, सेकेंड साइड डिफरेंट कलर, एंड देन zigzag, और दो पाइपिंग बैग में साथ में आप भर सकते हैं. इट इज अप टू यू, यू कैन जस्ट मिसमैच योर कलर्स, one layer, then second layer, third layer, fourth layer, it's up.
Okay, okay. And what is the difference between oil based and gel based color and liquid based?
Okay, liquid based is only water and color. Okay, liquid based होता क्या है, पानी उसमें होती है, उसमें ज्यादा कंटेंट पानी का ही होता है. Okay, gel based is जेल होता है, उसमें लाइक चिपचिपा रहता है वो कलर. Gel and water होता है. So gel is what? Gel color is basically a mixture of gel and water. And oil based is extracted from the oil, the color is being made. Okay, they doesn't have any kind of gel or water base, so that we can use in the chocolates.
Okay, okay. So I have one doubt. After melting, tempering chocolate, till what time is it? I mean, it will stand in liquid consistency.
It depends on your room temperature, or else in your city temperature. I am from Mumbai. The chocolate stays almost 20 minutes or 15-20 minutes around it. Okay, but after that also I need to microwave it again for 10 seconds or 20 seconds.
Okay, let's go ahead by demolding our Oreo bars. यहाँ पे Oreo bars demold करने वाले हैं, guys.
Yeah. I'll break one. There are some chunks of it.
Oh wow, इसका effect बहुत ही बढ़िया आया है.
Yes, and the taste is really nice as we have made the paste.
I wish you could taste and let us know how it is actually.
I can't taste. I am allergic to chocolates and breads.
Yes, I get that. And the bread part is absolutely fine, but then again, chocolate is.
Yes, dear, but bread, I feel bad because I can't eat even pav bhajis and everything.
Yes, true. All right.
Yes, so this is our chocolate what we have made today. ये हमारी chocolates है. ये Oreo bars, marble chocolate. This is the candied fruits chocolate, and this is our berries love.
Absolutely marvelous. Guys, you can just see, मतलब आप देखते ही आपको मुंह में पानी आ जाएगा literally. But then again, आप खुद ने भी बनाया है तो मैं ही यहाँ पे मुंह, like literally I am feeling craving for these chocolates yet I can't have it. All right, so guys, please enable your camera for those who have made the chocolate so that Chef Bhavika and I could see it as well. आप अपने chocolates यहाँ पे enable कर सकते हैं कैमरा को दिखाने के लिए ताकि यहाँ पे शेफ भाविका और मैं यहाँ पे देख पाऊँ कि Ishwarya ma'am has made all the bars. Oh wow, this is
Oh
lovely.
wow, she has made that Oreo bar.
I've never seen a grey colored chocolate. It seems very interesting to be honest.
Yes.
And
Even the berries have been seen, dear, in the white chocolate, I can see the berries.
Yes, yes, it's lovely.
Yes, when she'll bite, she'll enjoy that berries and chocolate.
I'm really jealous of Aishwarya ma'am, to be honest.
And she has mixed white and dark compound in the last one. That is with bars with fruit passion. Yes, that's great.
Amazing. Very amazing. And okay, we have Meeta ma'am here. So हमारे यहाँ पे मीता मैम ने भी बनाया है.
Okay, white and dark chocolate.
एंड यहाँ पे अलग ही डिजाइन जैसा लग रहा है. Different molds has been used here.
Yes. Own creativity. Flower. I can see one flower. Some different types of molds are there.
Strawberry, flowers, pineapple. Oh wow. Is that a moon? I guess that should be a moon.
Yes, half D or something.
Oh,
I
yes.
guess that way.
Yes, yes.
It's
बहुत ही
pretty.
बढ़िया. All right. So we have anybody else guys? यहाँ पे और कोई है क्या? Please अपना.
Very less number of students are making and participating. That's not allowed, ma'am. Please show your chocolates.
Yes, please. Please
You
अपना
know,
सब.
on the WhatsApp group, there are so many pictures, so many pictures. But in live, there are very less.
I guess I mean most people शर्मा रहे हैं कुछ लोग इसीलिए कैमरा एनेबल नहीं करते हैं सबके सामने.
Okay, I
Okay.
guess there's one
We
more, I
have
guess.
Sai Divya ma'am.
She has totally packed them. Wow.
Oh wow.
Pack भी हो गई आपकी chocolates, ma'am.
पैक होके जाने वाला है. सेल होने वाला है. बढ़िया बढ़िया. Amazing. So these are already packed are going to be sold. Wow. Oh, golden wrappers दिए हैं. बढ़िया
That's
पैकेज.
good. That's good. Very nice, ma'am.
It literally looks like gold, to be honest. Chocolates are supposed to be gold. सोने की भाव जैसे होने चाहिए. Okay, we have more people now. Amazing. So, yes, Harnoor ma'am, I have put you in spotlight. Oh wow,
Oh, wow.
these like it looks like the small golden chest.
Yes, they are looking so pretty.
So beautiful. बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा है ये. छोटे छोटे ट्रेजर चेस्ट जैसे दिख रहे हैं. Amazing. And we have Swati ma'am. I'll just put you in spotlight. Oh, so many flowers.
Wow, that's white
Are
and dark chocolate mixture. Very nice.
and there's even swirl in those flowers. यहाँ पे आपको
Yes.
swirl भी दिख रहा है.
Marble effect.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
Wow.
सब प्रोफेशनल है सिखा के. मतलब ये लोग हम लोगों को खुद सिखा देंगे to be honest. That's really amazing.
Very nice.
And we have
Oh,
okay,
one more.
ma'am has unwrapped the chocolates.
Wow.
वाओ! आपने ये क्या किया है? बहुत ही अलग सा दिख रहा है. I think these are cashew nuts or maybe peanuts pieces.
Yes, those are dry fruits which she has molded them first.
Wow, this looks really unique design to be honest.
The molds are very unique. I like those molds.
Yes, yes. Okay, we have Mannat ma'am. We'll just put you in spotlight as well. Oh, packed and ready.
Wow,
Amazing.
that's great.
So I can bet everybody has started chocolate business as well. I hope आपके chocolate business शुरू हो गया है. Do start with our neighbors and nearby people. आपके जो भी neighbors हैं उनके साथ start कीजिए sell करना. Okay, we have Parth ma'am here. Yes, Parth ma'am. Okay, I guess there might be some kind of network issue on her side. Okay. Savita ma'am, do you have any chocolates to show to us? क्या आपके पास chocolates है दिखाने के लिए?
There
Yes.
was one more there. I guess Dipali or someone was also ready with the chocolates.
थोड़ा सा दूर रखिए क्योंकि दिख नहीं रहा है. कुछ ज़्यादा zoom in हो गया. हाँ. Oh wow, shells. Seashells.
Okay, she's ready. Packed.
सब packed है. मैं तो पैक करके नहीं रख पाती, पूरा खत्म कर जाती. These are seashells made. Amazing. Hearts. Beautiful, beautiful.
Very nice. Bars also packed. That's great.
Okay, we have okay. I think these chocolates are broken a bit for Mannat ma'am. Just a moment.
Yes, she
She has
has cross section, like उसने cut करके बताया, I guess.
okay. I bet they are tasty though.
Yes, it look nice.
Okay, we have Ujwala ma'am who is making chocolate with us right now.
That's great.
मोल्ड में
Yes, I
डाल रहे
can
हैं.
see.
Amazing. Okay, we have Prem Jain ma'am who has completed her chocolate and packed.
Wrappings. Yes, she's opening the wrapping. Wow. Oh,
Gold
nice.
dust. Oh wow, they are glittery. Gold dust क्या होगा I guess.
Packing भी बहुत अच्छी की है. Finishing के साथ the pink and the brown packing.
Oh wow. चमक रहे हैं chocolates literally.
See the
बहुत ही
packing here. Very nice.
amazing, amazing.
Green color chocolate. That's pretty.
Wow. Guys are literally professional. मुझे भी start करना पड़ेगा literally अभी
Oh,
से.
marble chocolates with pink and I guess yellow. I can't see those, but yeah,
Yeah,
very
pink.
pretty. One more. Wow, white and pink.
This is beautiful.
That's good. Very nice.
बढ़िया बढ़िया. Okay. Yes. All
Chili
right.
chocolate of Savita ma'am, I guess.
Okay. Yes. Yes. That's right. Okay. These are the blueberry fillings and
Yes.
the chili chocolates. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. We have one more person who has just enabled their camera right now. Oh, golden wrappers. Nice. थोड़ा सा zoom out कीजिए. Please zoom out a bit. Yeah. Now it's visible.
Yes. Very nice.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
So now everyone knows how to make chocolate and pack them.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so right now we don't have anybody else, but if we've missed any, please do send the pictures in the groups. अगर किसी का भी मिस किया है यहाँ पे देखना, तो आप ग्रुप में पिक्चर्स डाल ही सकते हैं, guys. So right now we would be ending the session, but before that, let me tell you these important things. So ये कुछ important चीज़ें मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि आज का आखिरी दिन है. We are going to take a group picture. So please, after saying these instructions, please enable your camera. Let's all get ready. ताकि कैमरा को enable करके आप यहाँ पे हम लोग group picture लेंगे. And before that, let me tell you these important instruction. So the certificate which we would be giving, the form in the group, please fill that form with your right mail ID, and then you can just send up the. You will get the certificate with PDF and all the recordings in the mail. And please do check in the spam folder. You will receive it from sachin@alipo.com by tonight. तो आप कृपया करके हम जो सर्टिफिकेट फॉर्म भेजेंगे ग्रुप में फिल कर लीजिए अपनी सही मेल आईडी से, और साथ ही में उसे फिल करने के बाद आपको रात तक मिल जाएगा आपका सर्टिफिकेट मेल में. आप स्पैम फ़ोल्डर में भी चेक कीजिएगा और आपको sachin@alipo.com से मिल जाएगा. Second would be the recording links which we are sending, or it's in the group. Those are only for 30 days. So please download it so that you can watch it later on forever as well. जो recording links हम लोग दे रहे हैं वो सिर्फ 30 दिन के लिए है. तो कृपया करके डाउनलोड कर लीजिए ताकि आप बाद में भी देख सकते हैं कभी भी कहीं भी. And third point would be we would be taking up queries for 2 more days in the WhatsApp and as well as in the query form. हम लोग आपके queries WhatsApp में 2 एक्स्ट्रा दिन के लिए लेंगे और फिर query form में भी. So please send up your queries in this time itself. आप इसी 2 दिन में अपनी सारी queries भेज दीजिए. उसके बाद हम लोग ओपन ग्रुप कम्युनिटी बना देंगे. सो वी वुड बी मेकिंग इट an open group community after 2 days. So in that time you can send up your queries, share your experience and help out each other. आप 2 दिन के बाद जो है एक्स्ट्रा दिन के बाद ओपन ग्रुप कम्युनिटी बनने के बाद आप एक दूसरे को मदद कर सकते हो, एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकते हो अपने क्वेरीज रिलेटेड से. एंड please follow these rules, not to personally text or call any participants or in our instructor. आप कृपया करके हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स कोई भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स या फिर पर्सनली मैसेज या फिर कॉल्स मत कीजिएगा. एंड दिस वुड बी ऑल. So please enable your camera guys. I would be taking up the group pictures here. अपना कैमरा enable कीजिए ताकि मैं यहाँ पे group pictures ले पाऊँ. Okay. Okay, so we have still few more people who are enabling the camera. Okay guys, I'll be counting till 3 and please hold on to your position. मैं यहाँ पे 3 तक count करूँगी, तो तब तक अपना position hold कीजिए guys. 1. Okay, we still have people who are enabling their camera. Guys, please enable your camera. आप अपना कैमरा enable करके रखिए please. 2. And 3. All right, thank you so much for attending our session guys. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस सेशन को अटेंड करने के लिए. I hope you have all learned a lot and I hope this really helps you in everything. आप सभी को सब कुछ सीखने को मिला है और ये आपको हमेशा हेल्प करे, मतलब बिजनेस के टॉपिक में हो या फिर पर्सनली हो, जो भी है. एंड please do let us know on how did you like the course. आप ज़रूर हम लोगों को फीडबैक दीजिएगा कि कोर्स आपको कैसा लगा, क्योंकि आपके फीडबैक से हम लोग यहाँ पे इम्प्रूव करते हैं हर एक सेशन को और हम उसके हिसाब से एडवांस के रेसिपीज बनाते हैं. सो इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर डिमांड वी मेक द एडवांस मॉड्यूल. सो डू लेट अस नो. एंड वी हैव many upcoming course right now. हम लोगों के बहुत सारे upcoming course आ रहे हैं, which is a self hairstyling course, then cupcakes and summer special course which is of juice, jam and jam, then we have the syrup and sauce. तो हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे different course आ रहे हैं like cupcake, then jam and syrup, self hairstyling course, and we will let you know on the chocolate advance course if we have. We are planning on it. हम लोग plan कर रहे हैं. हम लोग dates fix होने के बाद आपको बता देंगे group में. So no worries on that. So thanks a lot Chef Bhavika for making our day really special on having these sweet sessions, sweet amazing chocolate session, and we will miss these sessions to be honest. मतलब मैं तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही मिस करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है चॉकलेट देखने में और लिटरली मेरा भूख मिट जाता है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड प्लीज़ डू सेंड अप योर पिक्चर्स इवन लेटर ऑन इन द फ्यूचर. आप ग्रुप में अपना पिक्चर्स सेंड करते रहिए एंड वी विल सी ऑन इट. And so see you in the upcoming session. And for those who will be opting on later, we will miss you guys. So bye everyone. Bye Chef Bhavika.
Bye. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for joining.